What made George James Software decide to partner with InterSystems?
So we've been working with InterSystems since 1979. George used InterSystems technologies as a customer building healthcare applications, and he founded George James Software about 10 years later in 1989. And right from the outset, InterSystems technology was a core focus for us. We've continued to provide solutions to InterSystems customers ever since, and our aim has always been to augment InterSystems' excellent technology with developer tools that customers can use to help with the maintainability and supportability of their applications over time.
How does InterSystems technology help George James Software's end customers innovate?
InterSystems provide a full-feature data platforms, and it's got extensive libraries and integration capabilities that we leverage to our product offerings. So this makes it super easy for us to innovate, as new capabilities such as AI gateways are all ready to hand on InterSystems platforms just when and where we need them.
Can you share a customer project you're particularly proud to have partnered with InterSystems on?
A couple of years ago, we were approached by a large regional hospital in Belgium. They'd been using InterSystems platforms for some years, but it came to us to help solve their source control problems. As their systems have grown and become more complex and diverse, they've increasingly seen the need for a better source control solution. The steps involved in deploying code changes to their production environments, which is largely a manual process, had become complex and unwieldy, resulting in issues that were frequently affecting their systems, their live systems, when the processes and procedures broke down.
What stage is the project at now?
We provided them with a full service implementation of our Delta source control solution. It's based on an InterSystems platform, and it's fully integrated with their environment. So this solution provides secure access to the source code within their hospital. We work with them to design and build the workflows that match their existing procedures, but with the assurance that only an automated solution can provide. They've been using Delta now for about 18 months, and they're benefiting from the solution we provided. They're having fewer issues in production and generally have a much better control over the whole process.
What do you like about working with InterSystems?
Well, I've been doing it for about 25 years, and it's such a dedicated, committed, enthusiastic bunch of people. It's always a great pleasure to work with them.
What is it about InterSystems that makes it stand out from other partners that you work with?
I guess I really feel that they care about the success of what we're trying to do. And so nothing's too much trouble to undertake to get things resolved, to improve things, and really just to turn situations around. So, support centre is just amazing. WRC have not come across any equivalent in other organisations, and that can make so much difference, that you really feel that problems don't get pushed off somewhere else. That if there's a problem, they want to solve things. I love that attitude.
Can you tell us about any future projects or developments George James Software will be partnering with InterSystems on?
InterSystems have selected VS Code as their strategic IDE. We are offering migration services and training to support the adoption of VS Code within InterSystems platforms. Our involvement in actively contributing to VS Code itself, creating and maintaining a range of VS Code extensions, and our expertise in InterSystems technologies puts us in this really unique position of having deep knowledge of both InterSystems platforms and VS Code.